In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT Quiz in a super simple way so you can generate quizzes on any topic and start practicing right away. This is a really useful feature if you want to test your knowledge, study faster, or just make learning a little more interactive. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy how-to videos just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open ChatGPT in your browser or app and sign in if you haven't already. Once you're on the main screen, look for the plus icon. This is where you can start creating something new, so go ahead and click on the plus. After that, click on More. You should now see a list of additional options and tools that ChatGPT offers. From here, select Quizzes. This is the feature that lets ChatGPT create quiz-style questions based on the topic you give it. Now type in your topic. You can enter anything you want to study, whether it's history, science, math, business, technology, or any other subject. Once you submit the topic, ChatGPT will generate quizzes for you based on that subject. You can then go through the questions one by one and play along as if you're taking a real quiz. This makes learning more engaging and helps you check what you already know and what you still need to improve. If you want, you can try different topics and create new quizzes anytime, which makes this feature really flexible and useful for revision. It's a quick way to turn almost any subject into an interactive learning experience without needing any extra software. So that's how to use ChatGPT Quiz. Just open ChatGPT, click the plus, click More, select Quizzes, type your topic, and start playing. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more tutorials on the channel for more simple tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.